For a while now, Razer is making a name for itself in the PC gaming scene, but the brand is looking to cover all areas on gaming, including consoles. One of the brand's most recent products is the Razer Kaira for Xbox, wireless headphones equipped with Razer TriForce Titanium 50mm drivers and Razer HyperClear Cardioid mic. The Razer Kaira come packed inside the typical Razer packaging with mostly black background and green accents on the top. There's a big photo of the headset on the front along with the Razer and the Xbox logos. On the back there's an in-depth breakdown of the main features, and on the sides we have the technical specifications. Inside the box the headphones are tightly placed in a hard cardboard surrounding with minimal packing. Alongside we have a charging cable and a manual. The Razer Kaira are made totally of plastic with foam cushions coated in a mesh material similar to the one of the Razer Black Shark V2. Overall, they are fairly simple looking, offering a classic design that could work for a non-gaming environment. The green accents on the black plastic is what make them feel like they are part of the Razer's lineup. The headphones are relatively lightweight, 332 grams, but the clamp feels too tight at times. The ear cups are comfortable enough and the headband has the memory foam attached, but they look quite bulky even though they articulate well. The build quality is solid, the plastic used being a high quality one. The ear cups are attached using metal hinges, so they should be sturdy enough to last a long time. The microphone is not detachable, so you won't have any portability features to the headphones. The Razer Kaira are fit for people that already have an Xbox at home. This variant only has wireless connectivity and lacks the Bluetooth functions of the Pro variant. This makes the syncing with the Xbox One or Series X a breeze, but using the headset on PC will require the Xbox wireless adapter and a bit more fiddling around with buttons. Once it's hooked up, the device supports Windows Sonic and serves as a fine headset for gaming, video chatting and everything in between. This being said, we tested them both on the console and on PC with the Xbox One adapter. The sound quality exceeded our expectations, especially in games. The sound is loud, crisp, and there is a clear difference between sounds, which makes the headphones a great addition for a gaming setup. The microphone, on the other hand, is pretty bad compared to others from Razer. The sound is low and catches up a lot of background noises. The Razer Kaira has a price tag of 119.99 euros on Razer Store, and, to be honest, they don't bring that much to the table to justify the price. If you are getting them for your Xbox One console, they are decent. The build quality is good, the sound is great, and the microphone is probably better than your standard Xbox mic. Their clamp feels too tight and you won't be able to use them for a long gaming session though. For PC users, you will need to use an Xbox wireless adapter in order to be able to use the headphones. Even with this, you will need to grab a piece of software from Microsoft Store to tweak them, and there are not much options you have. On the PC market, you have options in their price range, so the choice to go for this is not the best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.